Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 28th of September 2023. Broad-based losses across the market saw benchmark indices slip deeper into losses as the day progressed. At close, the Sensex was down 610.37 points, or 0.92% at 65,508.32, and the Nifty was down 193.00 points, or 0.98% at 19,523.50. Larsen & Toubro, Power Grid Corporation, and Bharti Airtel are top Nifty 50 gainers, while losers included Tech Mahindra, Asian Paints, and LTI Mindtree. Talking about the corporate segment, we have KP Energy traded 5% higher on September 28, a day after the energy company announced the commissioning of Phase V of its interstate transmission system-connected wind power plant. According to a regulatory filing, KP Energy successfully commissioned a further 10.5 megawatts, Phase V, ISTS-connected wind power project comprising 5 wind turbine generators of 2.1 megawatts each, at Sidhpur in Gujarat's Devbhoomi Dwarka district. It is a part of the 250.8 megawatts ISTS-connected wind power project capacity awarded to Apraava Energy by Solar Energy Corporation of India. CELLECOR Gadgets shares jumped 5% and hit the upper price band minutes, after listing at the IPO price of 92 rupees on September 28 on the NSE SME platform. The company's grey market premium was at 50 rupees, implying a listing price of 142 rupees. After the public issue received a good response from investors with 116.33 times subscription, and the retail portion was booked 124.08 times. The CELLECOR Gadgets IPO opened for subscription on September 15 and closed on September 20. The company raised 50.77 rupees crore from the issue. The price band for the issue was fixed at 87 to 92 rupees. The offer was an entirely fresh issue and there was no offer for sale component. Shares of Larsen & Toubro rallied 2%, to an all-time high of 3,013 rupees on the BSE ahead of the company's share buyback bid settlement later on, September 28. Apart from settlement of bids, return of unaccepted equity shares, and payment of consideration to eligible shareholders who participated in the buyback will also take place. As per consensus on X, formerly Twitter, retail investors shared a 100% acceptance ratio, AR, in the buyback. The Rs 10,000 crore buyback was subscribed 7.2 times, led by qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, showed data on the NSE. Shares of High Green Carbon were up 7% after listing on September 28. The Gujarat-based firm is into recycling of waste tires. A total of 7,038,400 shares were offered in the IPO, of which 5,990,000 shares were fresh issue. The public issue was subscribed over 196 times in the retail category, 69.95 times in the QIB, qualified institutional buyers, category, and 236.76 times in the NII, non-institutional investors, category. Happiest Minds shares fell 4% on September 28, after 1% of the total equity changed hands in intraday trading. Nearly 15.5 lakh shares worth 138 rupees crore changed hands on the exchanges. The average price at which the shares were exchanged was 886 rupees per share. The number of shares exchanged on the bourses on September 28 were 5 times more than the company's monthly traded average. Shares of Dixon Technologies India Limited jumped nearly 2% to a 52-week high of 5,378 rupees in early trade on September 28, after a subsidiary entered a deal with Xiaomi to manufacture smartphones for the company. We wish to inform that Padget Electronics Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary, has entered into an agreement with Xiaomi Technology India Private Limited, Dixon said in an exchange filing on September 27. As per the agreement, the phones will be manufactured at Padget's manufacturing unit in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. DCM Limited in daily time frame is trading around 88.35 points with a change of 19.96%, and is trading with a net volume of around 1.338 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 76.80, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.89. Bedmuther Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 109.85 points with a change of 18.76% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.272 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 84.15, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 90.80. VKM Fashion and Apparels Limited in daily time frame is trading around 81.05 points with a change of 17.63%, and is trading with a net volume of around 8,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 79, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 47.31. For stocks to watch, we have HDFC Life looks good on current market price of 634. It can be bought at 635 rupees, keeping target of 647 rupees with stop loss of 624. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.